Hey everyone, back to do another product I got finally, and it's something I need to do with my tires and wheel setup. Some sleeves. Obviously I need to do bigger tie rods, but I mean for now these work, and I've never had an issue before on my other truck, so I was like, I might as well just get these. I mean, they were 40 bucks, like close to 40 bucks with after shipping and taxes and stuff. But yeah, they are pretty nice. I like them. But anyways, yeah, this is what you get with it. This is the part number KRSLV10 for the 01010. But yeah, I mean, nothing crazy. But also gotta give a shout out to the DMAX store. I got like this Diesel Tech magazine, which is awesome. Shout out to Diesel Tech, and a sticker or a decal or whatever you want to call it, and then like a little pamphlet with like stuff, other stuff they sell and whatnot. It's pretty cool. But let's put these on in just a little bit, so then I can get my truck aligned finally, which I should have done a while ago. But I wanted to wait for this because I didn't want to do 2 alignments. Which I did on my last truck was, I was stupid. I aligned it, and then like 2 weeks later I bought some sleeves and I had to align again. So, but I will show you how to do this and we will get them on. Okay everyone, so back after forever. I made that video, the first video, like 2 weeks ago, and it's 2 weeks later. But we're gonna put these on today because I'm gonna go get it aligned tomorrow because I'm tired of not being aligned. And yes, obviously the angles are not gonna be amazing, but so all we gotta do is take off this. My boot's leaking. Eventually I gotta get new outer tie rods and stuff. But anyways, for now, this is for now and on a budget and whatnot. This is like normal people, not people who are driving on 24s, lifts, and blah blah. So this is just a regular person. So don't be like, oh my god, he's got all these issues already, why doesn't he fix those? Anyways, so we're gonna take this bolt off. This is gonna spin, so we're gonna have to hook on something right there so it don't spin on that nut. And then also major like take note and do it, because this is not what I did on my last truck. Mark it where it is right now, where this bolt is, and you're gonna count how many rotations you go, full rotations every time, so it's a lot easier and your wheel's not like all the way, you know, cockeyed, like freaking pointing out or pointing in and whatnot. But we're gonna do that and get that going and put these sleeves on, and hopefully there's a little bit better video than my other video. So this is what I did, just kind of mark it. It's just I got some anti-seize which I'm gonna put on there, but I just kind of mark it a little bit. You see where the nut will go, and that's how far it's gonna, or actually it's gonna be back here. Oh yeah, take it off there. That's how you mark it. Okay, so that went off a little easier than I thought. That off. Then if it's hard, like that. So we will. Oh, let me see if I should. I think I do have to take the bolts off first. Oh, this ain't my first rodeo. Just joking. Second. Let's get that off. Okay, so we got it off, and it was 20 spins. So let me see. So 1, 2, 3, like that. Like that's what I mean, like a full turn, like 1, 2, something like that, you know. But anyways, it took me 20 spins, so let me get this off. Put the other one on. Okay, and let's put some MACs on here without getting all over our hands, which is going to be pretty much impossible. So that's how it is. So you put on it because that's the reason the jam nut was like freaking stuck, was because it just rusted through. Won't do too much though. And then I guess it don't matter, but Let's put this on. Wait, which one side's the... Gets this side. Has the threads. This one doesn't. It's just straight. Oh my god. Oh my god, I told you. Fuck. I think I didn't wear a glove on that one hand. See if you can see that on that side. Hard because it's getting to the grease part. Go on, you know you want to. Okay, you might need to hold it because I don't want to spin the inner tie rod out. I want to go all the way back so I can make sure I get the full 20 rotations of the tie rod. Okay, so we went 20. And I'll put this back on, but I won't show you till it's 20. Okay, so that's basically how you do it. This video is short, but I'm pretty sure now that this side went so easy that the other side won't be. But that's how you do it. Take off this nut. Well, first, take off this small jam nut, this one. Take it off first, then untighten this one. And then hit it with the hammer, pull out, put this on, and that's it. Tighten it back up. Make sure you remember your full rotation so you don't have to be, your wheels won't be like crazy, toe in, toe out. But yeah, that's it. Tighten it up and then go get aligned. That's all you have to do. Pretty easy, so not that bad. 35, 36 bucks. eBay, Kryptonite. Alright, also too, real quick, just showing you how much, I only have like literally that much left of the actual, well I guess if you count the boot then I have like that much left, but this much of like the actual metal part right here sticking out, so it's only like an inch and a half versus, you know, 10 or whatever, I don't know. But anyways, yeah, it's a lot better than not having it, and it's cheap, super cheap, and not $200 to $400 for bigger tie rods, which I want to get, but this will do for now. So do it. Like, comment, share, do whatever you want, and yeah, thanks for watching.